Gentlemen, I'm Dana Deobuye, the head tutor of Dantops Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your own original WAEC certificate online in less than few minutes. As you can see on my screen, this is my WAEC certificate and I got it online in just like few seconds ago. So I want to walk you through the whole process. I'll give you the vital information which you need to know. So ensure you watch this video to the very end. If you're watching this video on YouTube, ensure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you're watching it on Facebook, make sure you like this Facebook page. And if you're watching it on any social media, ensure you follow me in this social media platform so you can enjoy amazing content just like this. I'll show you everything. It's super easy, it's interesting, and does not waste time whatsoever. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is to go to this particular website. So I'm going to put the link of the website below, portal.waec.org. But I'm going to put a straight link that's going to bring you to this dashboard you are seeing here. So this is the login page. As you can see here, this is the login page to this particular portal, which is from WAEC. This original WAEC portal is not a phishing website, it's directly from WAEC. So you get, so all you have to do here, when you're in this place, you just come here and click on create account. So when you click on create account, this information is going to open up for just click on close information. Now there are two buttons you must take note of here, button 1 and button 2. Now button 1 is for you as a candidate and button 2 is for institution how to confirm if your certificate is original or not. So in this case, you click on button 1. Then in this place here, go to put in all this, put in your use your surname, put in your first name, your middle name, you put in your email, a valid email address, please. Then you come here and put in your phone number. You don't need to put the 234, just put your phone number straight. Then here you put in your password, you enter the password again. Then when you're not done with that, the next thing you're going to do is to come here. So there's a button here, this place here, this button. So immediately you have filled up all these things, this button is going to come up for you. Just click on that button and it's going to be like, like you mark something. Then you come here and click on sign up. So immediately you click on sign up, WAEC is going to send you email verification. It consists of about 5 to 6 digit pin. All you have to do is to copy it and verify your email. But what I noticed is that when I left this particular place to go and check my email, I was unable to come to this place. It has brought me to the login page. So this might also happen to you. So don't be afraid. It is still easy. Just put in the email you used to log in, put in your password and click on login. When you click on login, it will take you to the verification page again. Just put in the pin that WAEC has sent to your email and you automatically get access to your WAEC portal. Yeah, WAEC portal dashboard. So let me log into my own here and just basically walk you through things. Let me just log into my own here. Okay, this is not the email I used. So you may not see this. I'm going to just blur this out just to, for privacy purpose. But yours is going to be super easy. Just log in. So after I've done that, it's very simple. Just log in, put in your valid email and log in. So let me just log in. So I'm logging into my own portal here and show you. So immediately you have gotten access, you'll be brought straight to this particular place. So here you have to be super careful here. So immediately you have verify your email. This is the first thing you're going to come to, certificate assets, where you can actually access your certificate. So in this place here, you're going to put your country. Definitely it's Nigeria selected for you. Leave Nigeria like that. So Nigeria is selected automatically. You put in your examination year. Let's say you go to your WAEC in 2023 or any year can be as even 1990, I think it's 1999. So let's say you go to WAEC in 2003, for example, or any year of any such. The year you select the exam type. If it's WAEC, if it's May, June WAEC, that's the normal school WAEC, you put that. And if it's November, December WAEC, that is like GC, you select it. So yeah, let's say I want to do normal school WAEC, I select it here. They come here and select your date of birth. Although date of birth here is optional, you can just fill it up there to fulfill all righteousness. So let's say this is my date of birth. You click on the year. So if you not see the year, for example, when I click on year, I can actually click the year. So let me just say I can click on this button, this arrow button left and right. Let's say I was born 1990. I'm going to put September 1990. Then here is you have to be very careful. You have to put in the candidate number, which is your examination number. Check your gap. So in this case, let's say my examination number is I think it's 10 in number. So let me say this is my examination number. I have to put something that is valid actually. So I'm just trying to play around it. So you put the examination number, then you confirm it again. You have to confirm it again. Ensure that it is correct. So let me just copy this and paste it here again. Just copy and paste. So immediately everything is correct. Then you come here and click on this button that I have verified. So these terms and conditions are going to open up for you. I would advise you to read it. So I actually get through it before I actually agree. So when you are through reading it, or just click on agree. And when you click on agree, it's going to when you click on agree, then this is going to just come here and click on this button here, which is access certificate. So this is the button here, access certificate. So I'm going to click on access certificate. When I click on access certificate, this is going to come up for you. Okay, please confirm this if this is correct. Then just click on continue. So when you click on continue, now you'll be charged a sum of money which is 7,500. I actually got charged around 7,600. With the charges, you take it to Fruta Wave dashboard where you can do all this. Just click on yes, and it will take you to where you can put in your ATM card, and you'll be able to make payment. So you make a one-time payment of 7,500. You're able to download your certificate. So immediately you have make the payment, which is 7,500, and but with the charges around 7,600. So all you have to do is to automatically take you to this place here. So this is where it's going to take you to this particular place here. Now you can see that mine is already visible here. I'm going to cover some details here, but mine is already visible here. All you have to do is when you click on it, it will tell you to verify your, like verify your address, verify this and that. So immediately you make payment, actually it will take you to where you can verify your address and verify your phone number. Just put those things, put a valid phone number, they'll send OTP to you, verify it. Then the next verification you're going to do is to verify your identity. So you can either use your NIN or BVN or voter's card. So I actually use my NIN. I mean, I use my NIN. I just tap on this particular access certificate. So maybe you finish paying, the steps will be following one another. So if for any reason the steps are not following one another, you can just come to this amber button here, this amber button. So when you come to this menu button here and you click on it, all these options is going to open up for you. Let me see, all these options here is going to open up for you. Just come here and click on these certificates. From here, you can actually access your certificate. So now you can see my certificate has already opened up for me. All you have to do is to come here. You see there's some button down here. Some button down here. To just come to this particular button. Let me show you this particular button here. This one you are seeing here. This is a download button. Just come there and click on it. So immediately you click on it, your certificate is going to download for you, and you will see it on your phone. So you can download it to your phone, or you can save it to your drive. You can do many things. You can send it to your email. You can do other things you need to do. So this is one of the easiest way I believe that you can get your original WAEC certificate online without going to WAEC office or doing anything that is stressful. One thing I noticed that it is super easy. To me, it was very easy. I know it's also very easy for you. So get your WAEC certificate. It is easy. If you have gotten this video very helpful, ensure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you're watching this video on YouTube, on Facebook, like this page on Facebook. And if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer you. I am Daniel Adeoboye, the editor of